Hi, it's Mr. Tush over at Global. We're going to talk about how to choose your computing innovation. I'd love to just give you a list to choose from, but it really isn't that simple. But there are some things that you can do to make that process a little bit easier. First of all, let's talk about what an innovation is. It's simply a new idea, a technology, a method, or a product that's going on now. Obviously, because of this, it must have computer code or algorithms associated with it. But if you hit those two, it's something innovative and it's got code and algorithms associated with it. I don't care how new it is because it has to be new for its time. And finally, you need to take a look at the things that won't work. For example, not so much with the iPhone, for example. A lot of people jump right to that. It was a world-changing technology, but the readers are saying to us it's too broad. They don't want you to choose an iPhone so much as an iPhone app. Now, how about a game console? Well, the readers say that doesn't fit the good for all society and culture standard. So it's not that it doesn't consume and transform data, it's just that it doesn't fit that particular standard for the question. And then finally, some people talked about smart toasters and smart technology for the household. And this doesn't really hit the deeper questions of data storage or security or privacy. And that's the thing that really takes things like smart appliances off the table. So the next thing we're going to talk about, there are some things that will work. Well, we did say, an iPhone not so much, but an iPhone app is fine. And like an Uber or a lot of other things that use and transform data. GPS, that was a big choice for a lot of people. And GPS has been very successful. Another one is medical innovations. Now, when you talk about it, just be sure to talk about the data. This produces data, which is then transformed. So talk about the data process that goes on, and you'll be fine. Make sure that no matter what you're hitting the big three, you have to be able to answer that it does one of these three things. It has to consume data, or it has to transform data, or it has to produce data. It has to do one of those three items. And you are going to have to search. There's really no way around it. You're going to have to do some Google searching. And, even some of these, it's a great search and it gets you this great Lafayette College site. But you have to look at some of these, like laptop computers, that's going to be a little too broad. You're going to have to look at something more narrow than a laptop computer, like something you do on it. And finally, good luck. Hope this helped. Thanks.